Modifying an existing field template is quite simple. You have two different views that you can look at in the site fields area. Right now, we're looking at the project view, which means that we're looking by the project name in alphabetical order. On the right-hand side here, we can see the template name or the individual template that's associated with that project. One project can obviously only have one template assigned, so you would not see multiple template names. If I change my view, I can also see the site template name. So if you do know the name of the template that you're trying to modify, you could go by the site template name and you'll see that here in alphabetical order. On the right-hand side of that, I'll see the multiple projects or individual project that's associated with that template. So one template can be assigned to multiple projects. However, one project cannot have multiple templates. In the template here, if I select the template name, I can go ahead and modify this. I can even modify the template name. In my artifacts, I go to each individual object inside qTest that I want to modify. So here I can see that I can change the release to add my release notes. So if this is a system field and it is not grayed out, that means that I can modify the field regardless of whether it's a system field or not. So in here, I can select that I'd like to add the release notes. And then if I have any other custom fields in here that I would like to add to the project, whether that's for reporting purposes or for an individual team, I can add that to the site field template. Any changes that I make or modifications that I make to an existing template will change the associated projects. So if I hit save here, it's going to open up this link, this field here that says, do I want to go ahead and create new values for any sort of new fields that I'm adding? Alternatively, if you were to remove any fields of a project, because all we did was add previously, it will also notify you that the removed fields will become inactive fields in that associated project. Once I've selected my modifications here, I can hit OK, and the changes will be applied to this individual template and the associated projects. Once I'm done, I simply hit close. And any sort of changes will need to be refreshed inside the project. That can be done automatically or a forced refresh if you just go ahead and select the URL and refresh your system.